Next into the tank is a patent-pending accessory that eases the burden of travel.
Hi Sharks, my name is Frank D'Angeli.
And my name is Kelsey DeLosh.
And we're the founders of Pak Hak.
What's the matter with you?
My backpack is hurting my neck.
The National Institute of Health estimates that 800 million people suffer from neck and back pain.
Now Sharks, I could get a travel strap and wrap it around my backpack to hold it to the suitcase handle, but I don't want to carry an extra item. Not only that, these straps block access to all my compartments and zippers. No good.
How about a pre-strapped backpack?
I already own a backpack. I don't want to purchase another one. And if you overstuff them, sometimes they don't fit over the suitcase stand. No. If only there was a better way.
Well, Sharks, there is, and it's called Pak Hak. Pak Hak straps attach to your backpack in minutes, allowing it to slide over your suitcase handle, but it does so much more.
The patent-pending, infinitely adjustable straps wrap around other packs or bags, allowing you to get your companions' packs off their back. Install Pak Hak on all your family travel bags and carry multiple bags at once.
Also, with Pak Hak, when you board your plane, you won't be whacking into people with your every turn.
So, Pak Hak straps allow me to place useless dead weight on my suitcase, right?
Yes.
Pak Hak gets the pack off your back.
That alone should get us a deal.